Papa. Papa's good boy. Yeah. Papa getting his spinach. Yeah, good boy.
He's not used to the plate, is he?
Good boy.
I think the coldness of the plate and he ran back away from the spinach. Now he's running off the
Where you
plate.
going? Where you going?
Got his eyes on something.
Where you going? Where's your bowl? Oh, he's getting his other one. He's getting his other one. See, we just put a big mat on the carpet so Papa can have a run around with his toys.
Yeah, on top of the nut.
Good boy.
He stays on the little mat. He won't venture off the mat. He stays on the mat.
Oh, here we go. He likes this one. He likes this one. Papa, get it. Oh, good boy. Come on. Let me get it. I'll pick it up. Here we go. Here we go. Go on then. Good boy. Go on, get it. He wants ya. He wants ya. I can see him looking at ya. You gonna get him? Come on then. Come on.
He's got it with his foot. He's telling the name. He's pulling it down.
Hey. What about a bit of football?
Oh, is it?
Probably get it. Good boy. Look at you. Go on then.
Yeah, they always do that.
Probably get it. Clever boy. Go on then.